I've had a few questions about the new features that Seesaw has put out this year that are different from last year, and how to use those. So this is an activity that we'll be doing in school later this week. So this is not an activity for today, but I just wanted to show you the two features that are new that you'll be seeing on Wednesdays for your virtual assignments. The first new feature is this right here. I can now link videos right into Seesaw activities. So anytime your child or you see this little finger pointing to this link button, you want to click on that. And that will open up a video for your child to watch. Okay? And the next feature that your child might be seeing is this button here. This button here allows me to put directions and read things on pages. So when your child clicks on this button.
Does the pigeon have to go to school? Record or draw what you think.
When your child clicks this button, it will read them the directions. So those are two features that we did not have last year and that we do have this year. So whenever you see this button, this is a video. You won't be able to move anything on this page. It's just a link for a video. And anytime you see this button, your child can click right on it to hear the directions. I hope that helps with some of the assignments and the new features. Please continue to reach out to me if you have any questions.